All right, guys, so today we are back with my friend Jason's Honda TRX 350 that you guys saw last time. This four-wheeler took everything we threw at it. We absolutely threw it through the ringer and it just kept on going. But today we have a bit of a twist. We finally got the Sportsman 335 fix that my dad absolutely grenaded. So today we're gonna be putting the Honda against something that's actually a little bit more capable. This thing has four-wheel drive. It's got decent tires on it. And we'll see if the Honda can beat this thing with all these better features on it. All right, last time we did tug of war with the TRX, we hooked it up to the other Sportsman, which had no four-wheel drive and just wasn't as aggressive as this one. So today we're really gonna be testing this thing out and seeing how it does with something that's actually a little bit more capable. This has four-wheel drive, it's got gnarly tires, it's heavy as crap. And let's see if the Honda can pull this one backwards.
Dude, I'm shocked.
Absolutely killed it. All right, let's do it again. I cannot believe how freaking good this thing does. It pulls that right backwards.
Yeah, I don't think it's in four-wheel drive.
Well, the four-wheel drive button wasn't on, so that
yeah,
logic
that's probably
checks out on that one.
Let's run it back.
Yeah, let's do it again. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Nothing to see here.
Don't mind us, just on the road.
Don't mind us. Well, okay, that kind of makes a lot more sense that this thing now is killing it. I'm honestly kind of sad because I thought the Honda was really doing good. But we'll try one more to try it, and then we should probably go to our next test before we blow out your front diff. So. All right, well, we should probably get out of here before the neighbors call the cops or something on us for doing this on a main road and get to test number 2. Ready to go.
It's on there now, guys.
Ready to go.
You said we weren't going to get stuck in mud.
All right, well, this thing, every time we go through deep water, it gets sediment in there. I don't know why I thought it would be different today, but we clean the car, hopefully it runs, and then we'll just have to stay kind of out of the water today. All right, guys, so we ended up sinking this thing basically in the pond that you saw last time. The like spout for the fuel line here had a hole in it, and it was letting all the water and sediment go into the carb, which made this thing die out inside the swamp. So I went ahead and JB welded that and got the fuel lines hooked up, and we are ready to rock and roll. We are all loaded up today, and we're gonna head out for a new day of testing this thing. You ready?
I'm ready to rock and roll, man. Oh my goodness.
Already got some casualties here.
It's fine.
The worst part is it's like the whole thing. Like the windshield.
Dude, everything is loose.
I don't know
my goodness.
what's going on there. crap, dude, that was aggressive. Dear God. All right, Mike, you might want to take the alternate line through the bushes and then down. It's a little bit straighter, and hopefully you don't roll the cliff off a literal cliff.
Yeah, it might hurt.
Yeah, that was pretty sketchy.
Hell yeah.
All right, once again, in the gravel pit. The only difference is they have been working. So we have some new cool features for you guys that'll be pretty sick, courtesy of the gravel pit. So yeah, we're gonna go and rip some like just gnarlier stuff through the cobbles and kind of like test the four-wheel drive and crawling of this. And then we're gonna head into the woods and get into some thicker mud and some deeper water. We learned that we need to do that last in case we sink things from last
Good
video.
idea.
So that's gonna be the final thing. So yeah.
It's fine.
Mike already flipped the four-wheeler and I almost did too, so no concerns with another hill climb that's sick.
That's safe.
Yeah, I think we're boxed out. I think that's it. And now it's gonna be like impossible to turn around.
Oh, I don't know how you guys are getting down.
There you go.
You're fine. Oh yeah.
All right, well the utility quads are kind of made for like water and stuff, so said we'd leave to the end just in case we sink them, but let's go hit some mud holes. All right, let's go through some more mud and see if we can get it stuck again. Dude, that sucks.
Dude, it's fine. The tires are good.
All caked up.
Jump on that grass.
Watch how easily the Honda goes through this. That thing's just too heavy. Freaking sucks in the mud, but the Honda with its ball tires is gonna do better than the Sportsman with the gnarliest tires you can possibly put on it.
Dude, that'd be so embarrassing.
Mark my words, it's going to.
No problem at all.
It's no comparison. I think it's safe to say the Polaris' belt is officially soaked and can't really go through anything anymore. So we're gonna call it at that, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and tune in next time for beating the crap out of some more machines. Back in Colorado this time though. I'll be back. So yeah, peace. So weird. Huh. I keep it totally clean. It'll get bleeped out.
Oh yeah, you do.
Step bro, what are you doing?